Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to do the molecular dynamics using ChemDraw. Molecular dynamics is a computer simulation method for analyzing physical movements of atoms and molecules. Molecular dynamics is used to explore conformational space. In this approach, the single point model is replaced by a dynamic model in which the nuclear system is forced into motion. The simulation of the motion is realized by the numerical solution of classical Newtonian dynamic equations. The set of possible atom location gives, for example, conformation ensemble profile for a given molecule. This can be done by Chem3D. So let us see how we can do molecular dynamics using Chem3D now. So first you have to draw the molecule of your interest, then measure the overall the length of the molecule. So that can be done by selecting this molecule and then the other one. The atoms that is present in two terminals that has to be selected. For selecting this atom, you have to click this along with Control and Shift key, then these two atoms will be selected. So for clicking another atom you have to click this along with Control and Shift keys together. So now these two atoms are selected. Now you go to structure tab, there you will find measurement. Now you select the display distance measurement. So now the distance between the C7 atom, let me label all the numbering under the atom label. So for that we have to click these two. So now the distance between the carbon number 7 and oxygen 11 is 6.8151 Armstrong. So now what we have to do is, after measuring the overall length of the molecule, now we have to do the calculation. For that, go to calculation tab, there you select mm2. Now we are going to run the molecular dynamics calculation. So you select this one. Now you can change these parameters: step interval, frame interval, and when do you want to terminate the job. Here I have given 10,000 steps. If we want to change this, we can change these parameters. We can also select the heating or cooling rate, whether we need a heating temperature, then we have to click on that. Let me also have the copy of these measurement in our output box. So for that you have to check this box as well, copy measurement to output box. Now click on run. Now the job will be going on. The job is in process. That can be uh, the process of the job can be known from here. If it is green in color, then the job is no job is running. Now it is in process, that's why it's like this, it's showing like this. If we want to stop the job in between, we can click this one. Here heating and cooling mode is on, that is why it is shown this is also active. So now the molecular dynamic calculation is going on. Let us wait for the job to complete. Okay, now the job is terminated. So this can be recognized by calculation completed. So in the output it shows calculation completed. So if you go to the top of the output file, we can see tablets actually, the time and total energy, potential energy, and the temperature. While starting, it was starting from 142 Kelvin. So while finishing, it was showing 317. That means it is around 300. So that's what we have set as the temperature. So it took almost 4 minutes for completing the job. It was carrying out the 10,000 steps. So it gives us the final um, after dynamics. Also it was showing the distance. If you measure the distance, it shows something around 7. So earlier it was 6.9 or 6.8 something, right? So now it shows 7. So now this is how we have to do the molecular dynamics using ChemDraw. So we will once again meet in next video. um, Till then, happy learning.